What is Moon in Aries represents in a horoscope? Moon in Aries person will be very much highly independent thinker and has a great mental force and shall be aggressive and emotionally responsive and judgmental. Those who are born in Moon in Aries are often identified by the hot-headedness to the houses which they are placed in. Aries Moon knows what they want. He or she is very intellectual and physically daring and courageous. They make a very quick decisions at all times and very aggressive in their actions, and their mind is always thinking to take some actions and complete their targets. They are very impulsive and competitive in making decisions. Frustration and anger also seen in this type of natives. The native always wants to know the truth as per his or her experiences, and they see it individually, which may not bear to the relation to the others agreement. So they always tell themselves to be strong, to be forceful, and to be independent, to be brave also. As you know that in the law of attraction, it's mind and thoughts about what you think and get. So here the moon in Aries plays its vital role to accomplish those attractions. So the people who have moon in Aries are most probably fulfill their desires to get what they want by the actions both mentally and physically. So this is one of the best position of the moon that can be strong enough to take the dominance of the partner, both male and the female charts. Especially in female charts, if moon is placed in Aries, which is again ruled by Mars, she will have the tremendous strength and vigor, and with such intensity, she could be so attractive to others, and other people can see the leadership quality in this kind of people. And they want to get to know them better and get close to this type of people. Especially a moon in Aries in Libra Lagna in woman chart, she will dominate her partner male in every way, as the seventh house represents marriage and relationship. So for a moon in Aries in seventh house, everything looks nice for a man because she will do the dominance of her male partner very slowly, without his knowledge, with quietness and so firmly, and most probably the man will respect to her commands and follow her. So moon in Aries will think themselves always, they will be thinking about themselves always, and they are very radiant in their nature with more beauty outwardly. So mostly it means they are having a very studious mental powers and a willingness to use their mind power to rule themselves and to lead to the ultimate success and happiness in their life. They are emotionally satisfied by the excitement. Spontaneity is their first choice also, and the victory. In whatever they want in them, they get it. The moon in Aries means they are very kind of bold, independent, and who assertively goes after what they want. In woman horoscope, they will be very impulsive in their nature and also will be very appealing type of personality. Same time, people with the moon in Aries need to learn discipline also and patience to understand others' advice also, and also they need to take others' advice in their life and without any criticism for them. So moon in Aries is, if it is poorly placed or aspected, this can be extremely bad also. So even these people can be very much jealous who are having the moon in Aries. Though it is they don't show outwardly, actually they would be having some kind of a sort of jealousy within themselves. So moon in Aries are great initiators also and thinkers, and they are very charmful people, and they always try to keep the things neat, clean, and very organized things, and keep it fresh. So they are always surprise you with the spontaneity, like always a sudden surprise from nowhere. Where like they can come nowhere even if the relation is broke up for a long time. So all of a sudden spontaneity without the other person's thoughts. So they are very good partners, and with their relationship also more aggressive most of the time. So moon in Aries woman is one of the beautiful women, you can say, who stays like a mystery for many men, and but for those who are around them, they will love their company also. So especially moon in Aries in Lagna in woman is a crazy and complicated soul, but when it comes to relationship, she would be the smartest, simplest, and the best girl you will ever date. Also most daring type of woman. So moon in Aries knows good outcome, that they knows that the good outcome do not come without work and effort. So they will be the hardest workers and push their team to do what it needs to be done, or what goal has to be achieved. So actually they understand what is the very importance of the like hardship and efforts. Without efforts and hardship, nothing comes in their life so easily. That is their belief system for the moon in Aries. So for that, they work hard. They put up their mind, their physical actions, their thoughts. They are planning everything they do for that to get the things done. So they have a strong work ethics also, and they will be doing good in jobs and everything, pushing to the maximum limits of their efforts, and they will push every way, so, with their team partners also, to get the intended outcome. Mostly this is a moon in Aries. So friends, this is my knowledge for the moon in Aries. But according to its placements, in which house it's placed, you can correlate the prediction accordingly to as per the house aggressiveness benefits what it says of the particular houses, and get the knowledge of your charts. So hope you understand for this placements. Thanks for watching the video, and please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel Sarvapati for more good content videos. Jai Shri Mataji. God bless you all. Thank you, friends.